What's going on today, guys? There's a major storm! There's a major storm! Welcome back. I have been off of YouTube for a month now. I just want to do something funny. Yeah, there's a major storm. They thought it was going to be a freaking tornado. God, what's going on with the weather? It's literally 5:20 p.m. and it's daylight. It goes from cloudy weather to daylight. That's how the weather's going on right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to change my clothes. Now it is 5:50 p.m. Well, now it's 5:51. Time changes at the last second when you start something. I don't know what that was. Hashtag cringe. It has stopped raining. 5:53 p.m. And my feet are soaked right now. So hopefully I do more videos. Yeah. Because my last video was August 20th. It is currently October 7th. That's a time change, alright. And this is the end of this video. Yeah, okay then.